In this video, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like to install the Ultra 3 bulb. This is the brightest LED bulb in the world on the front end of your Ford F-150. It's the year range from 2018 to 2020. I'm going to upgrade the low beam, the high beam, and the fog lights. Follow me, let's get rolling. We've been installing LED bulbs in this headlight housing since 2018. We bought that truck brand new, specifically to install a bunch of LED bulbs in it to find out which one's best. The Ultra 3 bulb will blow everything else out of the water that we've ever installed, and any video you've ever seen of upgrading the lights on it, this bulb does so much better. I'm going to show you that in a second. This is a reflector headlight housing. It's got a bunch of mirrors inside essentially, and your original halogen bulb produces a light in a specific spot. It's a wire wound filament, and that specific spot is really important to replicate, and the Ultra 3 bulb does a very good job. It produces a light output that doesn't scatter all over the road. It doesn't blind oncoming drivers. It also doesn't put the light right in front of you and then blind you when you're driving down the road. It is a very good bulb. The third generation of the popular GTR Lighting LED bulbs provide even more darkness destroying output than ever before. Unlike its competitors, every aspect has been carefully considered, resulting in a multifaceted masterpiece that leaves no detail behind. It's equipped with custom LEDs. It's a powerhouse that ensures unparalleled performance, while its optimized positioning guarantees efficient light distribution, eliminating the wastage. GTR Lighting is committed to building a durable LED bulb. It's 100% potted and waterproof, ready to conquer anything. It's also super compact with an internal driver, providing 4,700 lumens of luminosity output with effortless installation. It's also backed by a lifetime warranty. It's a bulb that outshines and outlasts the competition. Just remember, LED headlight bulbs are not street legal in the USA, and we advise you to not drive with these installed on public roads. In off-road settings, these are fine to use, but using bulbs this bright on the street may be uncomfortable to other drivers. Now my favorite part of the video, and yours too if you look at the analytics, the outputs. How much brighter is the Ultra 3 versus these turds you have currently installed in your vehicle? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this vehicle and I'm gonna back it up away from the wall 10 meters. I'm then gonna use a digital lux meter that measures the actual usable brightness at a certain point on that wall. What I'm essentially gonna do is find the brightest point on that wall and then use that as the benchmark to then compare to the Ultra 2 bulb, the bulb that GTR Lighting came out with years ago that really beat everything on the market, and then the Ultra 3 bulb. Now this is what your stock halogen bulbs look like, and right off the bat you notice that terrible looking yellowish orange color. This is a very dated thing to have on a vehicle that's from 2018. At the brightest point on this wall, I measured 257 lux. I've seen fog lights brighter than that at this distance. That is not very bright, but the beam pattern is good. It's not scattering the light, which it should be because this is the factory bulb in the factory housing. This is what the low beam looked like when I installed the GTR Lighting Ultra 2 bulb. That's the bulb that came out years ago from GTR Lighting. I measured 1,631 maximum lux. That is so much brighter than before. That is 535% brighter than your stock low beam. The Ultra 2 has always been one of the top dogs when it comes to the LED bulb. This is what the all-new Ultra 3 looks like on low beam. Right off the bat, I measured 2,517 maximum lux. It's the most lux I've ever read at this distance from the F-150 reflector headlight housing. It was 879% brighter than your stock halogen bulbs. Obviously, that's much more light far down the road, so when you're driving long distances, it's gonna keep you safer. It's also gonna allow you to see very well into the ditches. It's not scattering the light all over the place. It's very refined and it replicates your stock halogen beam pattern. I measured 627 maximum lux on the stock halogen high beam. To be honest, the beam pattern looks very good. This is what we want to replicate. It just wasn't nearly as bright as I wanted. The Ultra 2, I measured 2,110 maximum lux. It was 237% brighter. On high beam, with the Ultra 3 installed, I measured 4,390 maximum lux. So on high beam, it is 600% brighter than your stock halogen bulbs. This is no joke. The Ultra 3 bulb is the brightest in the world, it's the most refined, and remember, it's got that lifetime warranty. It's obviously a no-brainer. I'm gonna show you how to do the install now, but if you don't need help doing the install, just know this product is on our website, headlightrevolution.com. This is a really good bulb. It's super bright, it's easy to install, and it's a complete transformation of the front of your vehicle. So let me show you the install. You don't even have to pop the hood. We're gonna reach up in the fender well, remove a few clips, and we'll be good to go. I like to turn the wheel a little bit to give you a little bit more room to reach your hand up there. We're gonna remove 3 5.5mm bolts on the inner fender liner and 1 push tab. That'll give you enough room to reach your hand up in there to remove the dust cover, then take your halogen bulb, turn it counterclockwise, and pull it away. It's hard to see on camera, but then take that clip, remove the clip, pull your bulb away. Your low beam is an H11 bulb. Let's replace it with the GTR Lighting Ultra 3 H11 bulb. It goes in the same way the old bulb came out. Connect the connector, put your bulb in, turn it clockwise to lock it in place, then reinstall that dust cover. These bulbs are really small and compact, so it's easy to install that dust cover, and that's all it takes to get it installed. I'm gonna do the same thing for high beam. This is a 9005 bulb. Reach up, remove the dust cover, remove the bulb by turning it counterclockwise and disconnecting it. Grab that Ultra 3 9005 bulb type, connect it, put the bulb into the headlight housing on the back, clock it, and then put your dust cover back on. Now do the same thing on the other side. If for some reason your low beam or your high beam doesn't turn on, it's because it's polarity specific. Just take that connector, disconnect it, flip it 180 degrees, and plug it back in, and it should work just fine. Now, nothing looks uglier than having something so crispy and bright white and refined, and then you look back here and see this piece of junk. So we're gonna replace the fog light as well. It's the same process. Reach your hand up, turn the bulb counterclockwise, disconnect it, grab your new bulb, connect that bulb, and slap it in place. And just note that if the bulb was on for a while, it is extremely hot. Those halogen bulbs get super, super hot. So wear gloves if it's been on for a while or you just had a long drive and then you did the install. I'm gonna be real with you guys for a minute or two. First things first, if you see this in stock on our website, buy it now. I promise you this is going to go on back order of some way because it's such a popular bulb. It is the brightest bulb in the world. It produces the best beam pattern. It's my favorite product we've ever launched because it dramatically transforms the front of your vehicle super quickly. We're not pulling the front grille out. We're not doing a big massive install and running daytime running light harnesses and all of that. We're simply installing a bulb just like you would a halogen bulb. It completely changes the front end of your vehicle, and when you're driving down the road at nighttime, believe me, I've seen it firsthand. It is super bright. You're gonna want this on your vehicle, your daughter's vehicle, your son's vehicle, your sister's vehicle, and so much more. This bulb is the best bulb, and we've tested it against every single thing you could come up with in the comments below, and it was like 20–30% brighter. Type in your year, make, and model at headlightrevolution.com and you'll see all of the other products we've tested for your Ford F-150 there.